Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to remove OpenCV. Actually, I already made many videos about how to install OpenCV, but for this one we are gonna learn how to remove, because in internet also when you need to remove OpenCV from your machine, there are some wrong guidelines, I think, because by the way, I'm just talking about if you installed OpenCV via on the source code. What I mean is if you already clone the OpenCV repo into your local machine, which is in here, for example, OpenCV and OpenCV contrib. If you already cloned this and you created a build, and inside this you just follow the instructions and you are make install inside this, so it means you installed OpenCV via on the source code. So but if you already installed with pip or apt, so this video is not related to that. Those removing issue in those kind of installations are quite easy. So we are focusing to remove OpenCV if you installed by source code. Okay, and I said there are wrong guidelines because in some cases it just shows up in Stack Overflow. It just says purge remove all OpenCV. If anything, include name OpenCV remove from your machine, which is very dangerous for me. Actually, the thing we need to do is quite simple. There are some specific locations which OpenCV already located after installation, which is all is inside local, which we need to go to the local part, computer, user, and local, which is in here. Okay, and here include lib, share, and bin folders, include some OpenCV libraries and binaries, so we need to remove them only. Once we remove them, our OpenCV installation is gonna be gone. Why I want to remove, by the way, because I want to switch to newer, which is 4.11, since there are some new features I need in there, or I want to check in there, so I want to switch. So before removing, we can check my current OpenCV version is just OpenCV 4. Yeah, so current 4.8 version I'm using. So now I'm gonna apply these commands. Once also we can check this include file has an OpenCV folder, we need to remove it. And also inside library folder there are some OpenCV libraries inside here, lib OpenCV, all we are using in our examples. And also the binaries we need to remove. Also share folder has a OpenCV share folder has an OpenCV, yeah, in here. So these folders are specifically having OpenCV. Unfortunately, there is not something like sudo make uninstall easily, so we need to remove these files somehow. Okay, so all I need to do is just copy here. I can also put these lines into the description, so you can copy from there. Okay, so I think they are all gone. Let's check. Yeah, in here is removed. We can check include is removed. So should I restart the terminal? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's still in there, but if I restart the terminal, oh, it's still in there, because I'm a bit confused why it's still in here, because of its yeah, we just missed another file which is inside package config. We need to remove that also. I missed that part, which is inside the lib. So I already applied the command, so this is gone anymore. So now it's not gonna show me anymore something like 4.8. Now it still shows 4.5 because there is a version inside my machine still, which is installed via on the apt, but it's not related. So at the very end we are gonna use the source code installation, and so this is not important for now. Yeah, the removing OpenCV from the machine is currently done, and in the next video maybe I can also show you the latest installation of the OpenCV, which is 4.11 currently. And for this video, simply just this 6th line is gonna remove OpenCV from your machine. Yeah, all is done, and thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.